Hi, my dear friends. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn about tenses, and I am going to introduce to you all what are all tenses, and also one tense I will teach here in this class. Okay, okay. Let us come to know. But before going to know that, please subscribe my channel and click bell icon for next my uploaded classes and videos. Okay, let us come to know what are tenses. See, tenses are nothing but times and situations and movements. See, here tenses will classify, and tenses are classified into three types, mainly three times. We can say that on what, now, before, after, like this. See, what is now? You know that now at present. Clear now? Before. Before now, it means before this moment, what happened and what is that? About to talk about that situation, we'll use that is what past tense. Okay. And after this moment, that is what future tense. Clear now? So, like these situations and times are classified according to their situations into 12 tenses. Which are those 12 tenses? See, I am going to introduce now all the 12 tenses. Okay, let us come to know which are those. First thing is main three tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. See, these tenses are classified into each tense, four tenses. How? For example, present tense, present simple tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Like this in past tense also. Past simple tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Same in future tense. What is that? Simple, future simple tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. Yes, my dear friends, now you learned what are all tenses. So, this is what introduction of tenses. Okay, but in this class, we are going to learn one more thing. What is that? Past tense. What is that? Present simple tense. Yes, present simple tense. What is present simple tense? In this class only we learn only one tense, my dear friends. So next we will learn still more and remaining tenses one by one. Okay, let us come to know present simple tense. What is present simple tense? See, present, if it means now. So at this moment, if the action is ready to happen, ready to go, so that is called what? Present simple tense. For example, I go to Dharwad, like this. I go to America, like this. And he goes to temple, like this. So these are all examples for what? Present simple tense. So at what time we have to use this one? For which situations we can use this one? See, that is given here. First one is habitual activities, and next historical events, and next one is what is that? For storytelling. See, in these situations, we'll use simple present tense or present simple tense. Clear? Yes. So now you understood, my dear friends.
But how will you say, is this habitual activities about our historical events or storytelling moments? How will you say? Just say there, for example, for habitual activities, for example, say, I read newspaper every day. Okay. I like to drink coffee. Okay. So this is for what? Habitual activities like this.
Like this, for historical events, if you talk about the great king Ashoka. Ashoka wins many struggles in this moment, and also he wins Kalinga war, but he decides to leave wars in this moment. Okay, yes, like this, so many examples we can see for historical events. Okay, let's next come to talk about storytelling. For storytelling, also we will use what? Present simple tense. How? For example, to talk about Rama, Sita, like this story. So Rama comes now, and also Sita comes. Okay, like this examples we'll use for storytelling. Okay, simple present tense. Okay, next come to know how to apply the structure of present simple tense to form sentence. Okay, see that is given here. Let us come to know present simple tense how to use by structure with the structures applying all subjects, pronouns and nouns, making and forming sentence. How we can form the sentence by using present simple tense structure. Okay, let us come to know what is that. First one is, what is that structure is given like this. See, subject plus verb 1 plus object. So this is positive sentence or assertive sentence or simple statements. We will use this tense and this structure in this present simple tense. Okay, let us come to know how to apply. First I will take here subjects and pronouns as a subjects, and next I will take nouns as subjects. Clear? Yes. See, first I will take here what is that pronouns. See which are those. Person, first person I, it's plural we, and second person you, it's plural you, and third person he she, it's singular and it's plural they. See, these are all subjects. Now we got first step of this structure. What is that? Subject. Clear? Next I will take which one? Second step, verb 1 and object, both steps I will take here at a time. See there, what is that? For example, speak in English. Okay, so next also speak in English, and next speaks in English. See here, I speak in English, we speak in English, you speak in English, you speak in English, and they speak in English. But third person singular he she it, here we have to use for verb 1. What is that? Yes, 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 like this. Okay, here I used yes. Example, see there, for example, he speaks in English, she speaks in English, it speaks in English. Okay, my dear friends, now you understood. Okay, let us come to know how to use nouns as subjects to form present simple tense. Clear? See there, nouns I have taken here. What is that? First one is, what is that? King, and next queen, and next students and boys. See, here also I have taken, what is that? Speak, verb speak, speak in English. Okay, king speaks in English. See how to take this one. King speaks in English, queen speaks in English, students speak in English, boys speak in English. Okay, see, yes, I used here for singular nouns and also plural nouns. You can use as your wish any examples. For example, Raju speaks in English, like this. Rama goes to temple, like this. People go to Bangalore, like this. Okay, any example you can take. Okay, so my dear friends, now you understood how to use present simple tense, how to form the sentence for present simple tense, and when we have to use. Okay, so I introduced all tenses here, just introduced. Okay, so next class, one by one, in our next class we learn one by one all tenses. Okay, until that, take care, bye, see you, we'll meet in our next class. Okay, thank you one and all, have a nice day.